Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jane and this tutorial will be talking about HODs. I have Odum Grace as the account that is logged in. She happens to be a vice principal, and this capability can be this functionality can be performed by a vice principal actually assigning staff or teachers to become HOD of different departments in the school. In a situation whereby the arms in the school are many in terms of finding that in just 1 have 10 arms, all those things, we'll find out that it will be very difficult for the HODs to the vice principal to manage the academics of the school holistically without actually some micromanagement. Now, this HOD scheme actually helps in scheduling some staff, some teachers to become to manage some other teachers which work with them. Now, in a situation whereby, let's say, we have a science subject like biology, chemistry, and physics. Because one of the teachers in that is one of those subjects can become the HOD for that subject and for those group of subjects, and he will be in charge of the academic record of those of all the members of all the staff that is in of those subjects. Now, in a situation whereby you are creating or doing HODs, you can use this dashboard for the current term. But if you want to work on previous term or forthcoming term, click on this previous link and you have access to actually work with for HOD. Let's say for the previous forthcoming term, you can create HOD, you can do HOD, or for previous term, you can create HOD or do HOD. You can select another term, maybe second term, and that is the way we can actually do that for that term. But for this one, we will have to work on the term that is actually marked as current. As we have clicked on this create HOD, we present with the dashboard. Let's say we are creating the portfolio for HOD of religion. Now the position can be 1 in a situation whereby we have that the HOD of religion is 2, 1 for senior secondary and 1 for junior secondary. We can actually use position 1 to signify senior secondary and position 2 to signify senior secondary, junior secondary. And select Yunus and Nasiru to become the HOD of that religion. You can see that the first subject there is Christian religious studies, second subject can be Islamic religious studies, and we'll submit. Now what happens is that Yunus and Nasiru will be able to actually do academic revision over all teachers that are to teach a Christian religious study and Islamic religious study. The person can also assign those teachers to actually to different arms to teach each of these subjects. The person can actually communicate with them and carry out some other micromanagement over them, appraisal and some other things for them on behalf of the vice principal. Now this is the record which we've just created, and under this capability, as we have done this, when Yunus Nasiru logs in into his account, we find out that he has been made a HOD of religion, and under that condition, you can have access to actually start performing the functionality of a HOD of religion and start working with the staff under him. Now we can also make a modification by clicking on this edit. We can actually choose another person to become the HOD of a religion. We can actually assign it to another person. But if that person does not teach any of these subjects, the assignment will not be made, will not be completed. You can also decide to add other subjects to that department. You can add at most 6 subjects there. You can click here to view HOD that exists for this particular term 2014-2015. You find out that you have the HOD of science is Ali Zayo, and the subject under science is mathematics and agric science, and the HOD for religion is Yunus Nasiru, and the subject under it is CRS and IRS. You can have some other subject there. The person takes these accounts for Yunus Nasiru is not virtually active and is currently active. It was created by Odum Grace and can be deleted. You can deactivate it, and when you click this deactivate, when Yunus Nasiru logs in, he will no longer be able to have on his dashboard that he is a HOD of religion. Now, when for this virtually active, in a situation whereby the account types of these teachers, such as a form teacher, HOD, housemaster, and the subject teacher, whenever the term it is attached to something like 2014, it is no longer the current term. Those teachers, when they log in, they will not be able to make any modification or updates on data that refers to STEM any longer. And a situation whereby an error has been made in such data for that particular term, the vice principal, which is Chris or anybody that logs in as the vice principal, can have access to actually make their account virtually active. When the account made virtually active, what it means is that that particular HOD can actually log into his account and use that particular portfolio to continue to work on those data, even though the term is marked has the term the portfolio is marked for is has already elapsed. And we can do that by clicking on this particular link. When we click on this particular link, we have the capability of changing or making the account virtually active. If we click on this, we find out that we can make this one virtually active. And when we click on that, and it means that the user's account as a HOD of science will now be active, will still be active after 2014-2015 term has elapsed. Now, at this juncture, we are going to the end of this tutorial. I will thank you very much for checking out this tutorial. And make sure that school is signed up on our scholar.